Ethereum keeps on holding its crown of the biggest altcoin, or so they thought. The advanced resource is presently the discussion of the crypto refrain. As the last period of the union is supposed to achieve by September. Which will in every way that really matters go against the constraints of Ethereum's blockchain innovation. Wherefore, the overhaul holds the nostalgic interests of financial backers and merchants. Who really hold stakes in store agreements of ETH 2.0, which had as of late outperformed the count of 10 million. With the eagerly awaited update creeping nearer each spending day, the interest around its value projection is becoming stronger. Will Ethereum arise to walk to new highs whenever sooner, or so they generally thought? Or then again will Ethereum lose its crown to other extremely likely digital forms of money? This review will really get every one of your questions arranged. Lock in as we decipher the conceivable value expectations of ETH for 2022 and the years to come. Ethereum price prediction for 2022 in a significant manner. Ethereum has started the year at a comparable speed to that of the kind of final quarter. The cost on the principal day of the year was seen at $3,755.55. Which has additionally been the most significant level for the year. The principal quarter has been genuinely harsh, with ramifications of the Russian intrusion, Fed's rate climb. Furthermore, worries of government substances over POW chains. Following turbulences in the business, the cost of ETH had lined to $2,459.64 by the 7th of March. While it represented a 35% flood to generally close the quarter at $3,390.73. Notwithstanding, the subsequent quarter had been significantly more misleading, which hauled the cost of ETH by more than 70%. Ethereum price forecast for Q3. The ideal rollout of Ethereum's greatest update ETH 2.0, as would be considered normal to generally be finished by August. It will be basic for the drive of ETH's value, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Wherefore, the cost of the biggest altcoin could drive to a fundamentally limit of $2,157.06 toward the quarter's end. On the other side, an absence of energizing drives could drag the cost to at least $1,519.96. Be that as it may, common trading tensions will land the cost at $1,822.09. ETH price prediction for Q4, which is genuinely huge. In the event that the organization sees a decrease in clog and gas expenses following the formative drives. Ethereum would find fresher purchasers and tasks embracing the organization. In such a case, ETH's cost could chug up to $2,952.06. Interestingly, assuming that the organization disturbs further, the altcoin could swing down to $1,913.92, which is very huge. All things considered, obliged by the straight projection of value, the essentially normal cost could land at $2,414.69 in a significant manner. Ethereum price prediction for 2023. If ETH 2.0 carries out in the fringe of 2022, we can explicitly expect 2023 to in every way that really matters, start on a bullish note. Which could drive in sort of additional partnerships, receptions, and financial backers. Wherefore, the cost of ETH could end the exchange for 2023 at $5,681.78. Notwithstanding, on a negative note, the altcoin could end its exchange for the year at $2,531.85 in a significant manner. All things considered, compelled by a straight energy, the typical cost could find its base at $3,931.89. ETH price forecast for 2024. The developing conspicuousness of Ethereum could welcome worldwide acknowledgement and carry out of ETFs and spot ETFs. This could invite a more extensive crowd, who could push the cost to more prominent levels incredibly. Emerging which, ETH cost could head towards its likely essentially high of $8,614.33 toward 2024 in an unpretentious manner's end. On the very other hand, on the off chance that the bears beat the bulls, the cost could rut to at least $4,191.86. Progressively, a harmony in trading tensions could land the cost at $5,866.61. Ethereum price prediction for 2025 in an essentially significant manner. Assuming the Ethereum environment centers around helping its endeavors focus on new tasks, improvements, and associations to upgrade the organization. With more up-to-date refreshes connected with Ethereum 2.0 like forsaking the POW. Also, on the off chance that versatility is sufficient and ETH 2.0 becomes easy to understand toward the finish of 2025. ETH price is expected to basically hit its limit of $14,262.36. Nonetheless, in the event of a potential accident because of any potential guidelines, vulnerability might make the ETH tumble to $6,884.96, incredibly. All things considered, taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost could settle at $10,190.87. What by and large is Ethereum, ETH? Ethereum is an exceptionally decentralized open-source blockchain, underlining savvy contract usefulness. Ether by and large is the local digital currency made by Ethereum excavators, as a profit for estimations directed to in a real sense safeguard the blockchain. The organization began to work on 30 July 2015. As of then 72 million coins were printed. This reports for around 65% of the absolute flowing stockpile in April 2020. The convention deals with the POW agreement system and will change the POS instrument. This in a real sense is supposed to happen at some point by mid of 2022 amazingly. Our ETH price prediction. Factors like the fruitful change to POS and developing effort could lean stars for the convention. With a lift to the nostalgic conviction of financial backers and dealers, or so they thought. The cost of ETH could move to $2,480 toward 2022 in an unpretentious manner's end. On the drawback, expanding FUD among financial backers and absence of updates could by and large check the cost to bottoms at $1,750. Authentic price sentiments. 2016. ETH started rising consistently in January 2016 and arrived at a cost top at $15 in March. Following this, due to the Ethereum hard fork, the cost most certainly fell twice lower, which is genuinely huge. After fluctuating somewhere in the range of $8 and $14 for a really long time, ETH value rose to $15 by September, following its expansion to the rundown of supported resources. Ethereum for the most part experienced a DOS assault on September 22, which